Question number 1. Windows 365 is available in Dash subscription offerings. On track. 2 is the correct answer. Question number 2. What can be managed from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center? Nicely done. Subscriptions, billing statements, payment methods is a solid answer. Question number 3. What is the file extension of a Microsoft Word document? Nice selection. Docs is the correct and valid answer. Question number 4. Which of these is an instant messaging app of Microsoft? Well reasoned. Justo is the correct choice. Question number 5. What does the new Microsoft 365 platform bring together? Exactly. Favorite Microsoft apps makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 6. What type of controls do the compliance score follow up? You chose controls managed by Microsoft and customer-administered controls. And it is correct. Question number 7. What is the name of the Microsoft 365 digital notebook? Right choice. OneNote is the best answer. Question number 8. In ClearPrint, we use the version Dash from Microsoft 365. Good job. Your answer 3 works well here. Question number 9. Which Microsoft app is used for creating presentations? Well picked. PowerPoint is the correct answer. Question number 10. What can you add on to your Microsoft 365 subscription? Right again. eDiscovery, Microsoft Defender XDR, Microsoft Teams calling plan is a valid answer. Question number 11. Who manages licenses in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center? Solid response. Administrators is a valid choice. Question number 12. What is the purpose of the EMS 365 interface search bar? Clear logic. Your choice, find applications, is sound and 100% true. Question number 13. What does the solution detect and respond to Microsoft? Correct response. It helps you find, refine, and prepare relevant content is the most accurate answer.
Question number 14. What menu is available at Microsoft Office Word Dash?
Perfect. Home Insert View is the correct choice. Question number 15. 3. Select the reason why we need Microsoft 365 backup. You're right. All of the above is the correct answer. Question number 16. Which billing model charges you only for what you use? Strong choice. Consumption-based price is the right answer.
Question number 17. What type of A model does Microsoft 365 Copilot use?
Valid point. Generative pre-trained transformers is true.
Question number 18. What is the name of the EMS 365 messaging application?
Excellent. Outlook is a brilliant choice.
Question number 19. How does Microsoft 365 Copilot assist in PowerPoint?
Well done. By creating new presentations from prompts is the right choice.
Question number 20. What is the shelf capacity provided in Microsoft 365?
Bravo. 5 tera is the answer. Question number 21. What can you view in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center? Nice work. You chose bill, invoice, past billing statements, and it is correct. Question number 22. What is the primary function of Microsoft OneDrive?
Good thinking. To store files in the cloud is the right answer.
Question number 23. How much of storage grants a Microsoft 365 account?
Sharp thinking. Great capacity cloud storage is the right choice.
Question number 24. Can I access my Ms. Office 365 account from anywhere?
Smart move. Yes is an accurate answer.
Question number 25. How many users can Microsoft 365 personal supports?
Correct. One user is the right answer.
Question number 26. How many users does a Microsoft 365 family support?
Great job. 6 users is the accurate answer.
Question number 27. Worksheet on Microsoft Office Word is called Dash.
Great thinking. Document is the right choice.
Question number 28. Which billing model is also known as pay-as-you-go?
Excellent choice. Consumption-based price is the right answer.
Question number 29. The Office application used as a word processor is?
Smart pick. Microsoft Word is the correct choice.
Question number 30. Which of the following offers Microsoft Office 365?
You got it. Your choice, SAS, is right.
Question number 31. What is one of the benefits of Microsoft 365 apps?
Strong choice. It offers regular updates for Office apps is the right answer.
Question number 32. What is the primary goal of Microsoft 365 Copilot?
Valid point. To enhance productivity is true.
Question number 33. What is the presentation app for Microsoft Office?
Well picked. PowerPoint is the correct answer.
Question number 34. What does Advanced eDiscovery allow you to manage?
Good thinking. Manage the custodians relevant to a case is the right answer.
Question number 35 is the URL that was first used to open Office 365.
Sharp thinking. Office.com is the right choice.
Question number 36. Can you resubscribe to 15 months on Microsoft 365?
You're right. No is the correct answer.
Question number 37. How long does Microsoft 365 can take advantage of?
Smart pick. Forever is the correct choice.
Question number 38. What does Microsoft 365 apps check for regularly?
Solid response. Updates is a valid choice.
Question number 39. What is the primary purpose of Microsoft Outlook?
Excellent. Email and communication is a brilliant choice.
Question number 40. What should you enter to log into Microsoft 365?
Right again. Your school or organization email address is a valid answer.
Question number 41. What is the Microsoft 365 Admin Center used for?
Right choice. Managing subscriptions, billing, and payment methods is the best answer.
Question number 42. Microsoft 365 application for short messages is?
Well reasoned. Microsoft Kazala is the correct choice.
Question number 43. What is the primary use of Microsoft PowerPoint?
Clear logic. Your choice to create professional presentations is sound and 100% true.
Question number 44. Microsoft 365 application for presentations is?
Good job. Your answer, Microsoft Sway, works well here.
Question number 45. Microsoft 365 application for digital classes?
Great thinking.
Microsoft Teams is the right choice.
Question number 46. The name of the email app in Office 365 is dash.
Correct response. Outlook is the most accurate answer.
Question number 47. The use of Microsoft Excel in general is dash.
Well done. Analyze, compile, and process data in table form is the right choice.
Question number 48. What is the main feature of Microsoft Teams?
You chose to facilitate real-time communication, and it is correct.
Question number 49. What is the main function of Microsoft Word?
Bravo. Process and edit text documents is the answer.
Question number 50. What is Microsoft Publisher mainly used for?
Excellent choice. Designing and laying out professional materials is the right answer.
Question number 51. Our webinar today is an introduction to dash. Great job! Microsoft 365 is the accurate answer. Question number 52. Who is the creator for Microsoft PowerPoint?
On track. Brainshark is the correct answer.
Question number 53. What is Microsoft Teams primarily used for?
Nice selection. Collaboration and communication with classmates and teachers is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 54. Microsoft Planner is a and dash application. Nicely done. Web-based is a solid answer. Question number 55. How can you join a team in Microsoft Teams? Perfect. By entering a code provided by your teacher is the correct choice. Question number 56. Microsoft Excel is what type of software? Smart move. Spreadsheet is an accurate answer. Question number 57. Is the media used to save on Office 365? Nice work. You chose OneDrive and it is correct. Question number 58. What can you create using Microsoft 365? Exactly. All of the above makes sense and it is right choice. Question number 59. What can you do with Microsoft Outlook?
Correct. Send and receive emails is the right answer.
Question number 60. Translate this question into Indonesian. You got it. Your choice email program and personal information management in Microsoft Office is right. Question number 61. What year was Microsoft Office created? Strong choice. 1975 is the right answer. Question number 62. Microsoft Viva includes what 4 modules? On track. Viva Connections, Viva Insights, Viva Topics, and Viva Learning is the correct answer. Question number 63. What is Microsoft PowerPoint used for?
Right choice. Create and deliver presentations is the best answer.
Question number 64. Microsoft Project is developed on dash. You're right. Power Platform is the correct answer. Question number 65. What is Microsoft Excel designed for?
Nicely done. Storing, organizing, and manipulating data using spreadsheets is a solid answer.
Question number 66. What is a mandatory basis for a team?
Sharp thinking. A Microsoft 365 group is the right choice.
Question number 67. The link to enter into Office 365 is?
Excellent choice. www.office.com is the right answer.
Question number 68. Cloud-powered productivity platform.
Solid response. Microsoft 365 is a valid choice.
Question number 69. What is Microsoft Exchange Online? Right again. Cloud-based messaging system is a valid answer.
Question number 70. What is the all-new Microsoft 365?
Perfect. A collaboration platform is the correct choice.
Question number 71. Microsoft To Do is powered by Dash.
Smart move. Office 365 Exchange Online is an accurate answer. Question number 72. What is our master communicator? Great job. Microsoft Teams is the accurate answer.
Question number 73. How do you access Microsoft 365?
Well reasoned. Open a web browser and go to Steeps EA login. Microsoft Online. Com is the correct choice. Question number 74. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Correct. Bill Gates is the right answer. Question number 75. What is Microsoft 365 Copilot? Bravo. An AI-powered productivity tool is the answer. Question number 76. Can use Microsoft list above. Valid point. All three above is true.
Question number 77. What is Microsoft 365?
Nice selection. Microsoft 365 is a software application. Seat is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 78. Microsoft 365 is?
Excellent. Application Cloud is a brilliant choice. Question number 79. Want to notice what? Well picked. All answers above is the correct answer.
Question number 80. What is Sway?
Nice work. You chose a digital story, telling and presentation app, and it is correct.
Question number 81. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Good thinking. Contact Narayan Chingder is the right answer.